Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Lenovo TAB M11 Plus, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's enter About Tablet. And here we have to localize the build number. I know it may be quite confusing, but it is actually crucial to activate the developer options, where we will be able to find the automatic system updates. So here all we have to do is to simply keep tapping on the build number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. So now we can go back to the system settings, and as you can see, the developer options will appear. So let's enter. And basically here all we have to do is to simply scroll down just a little bit to find automatic system updates. You can turn it on or off just by tapping on the switcher. If you've got it off, then simply tap on it, and right now it is active, so your device will be allowed to apply the updates, but when it will be restarted. So basically you do not really have to remember about manually updating your device, but remember about restarting it from time to time. Also, just a quick disclaimer about the developer options. If you'd like to learn more about them, we've got the tutorial of how to enable them. Of course, I just shown it to you, but how to use them also, how to use particular options. So I highly recommend to check it. So basically that's all. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your Lenovo TAB M11 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.